Hey guys, welcome to Punky's World. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the drawer out. This drawer is a mess anyway. Alright, this is the paper, which I will sit over here. This is my cousin's prom picture. There. Okay. Now, these are string cleaners. These are good to have. I'm actually going to put these in here. Okay. That's ready to be disassembled. Disassemble line. Yeah, if you watched this channel before, you know where that song comes from. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Slide this back. Oh wow, that makes it easy to move. That thing slides. Oh, I got a dime. Woohoo! Let's see. Yeah, I can't read it. Okay. Alright guys, let's grab the toolbox and disassemble this puppy. My guess would be a screwdriver, but I've been wrong before. Okay. Let's disassemble the drawer first. Okay. No, I need to pull up said screwdriver. Again, I'm going to use the lid to hold all the hardware, so I don't have screws hanging around on the floor that I can step on. So, you know, it's funny. I was reading the comments. I was telling you in the other video that I was watching with Carly's grandson. And I was reading the comments, and everybody's talking about how their dad got them into the Three Stooges and how their dad's passed away. I hear ya, because yes and yes. I'm not taking the track off. He's not. I'm not taking those off there. Just easier that way. And they were actually surprised that neither of their graves had any mention of the Three Stooges. But somebody took coins and wrote "Yuck" over the cement covering over his grave. So that's kind of funny. His grandson sounds just like him. But like I said, the people who are talking about their dads getting them into the Three Stooges, yep. My dad got me into the Three Stooges. I would never have had a clue who the Three Stooges were if it wasn't for my dad. That hurts. There we go. In the center, so it's loose. Why does this not want to loosen, guys? Oops, sorry. I think this thing is playing a part in it, so let me flip this around. Part of the reason that's not coming off is because of this. So I need my hammer to pull these nails carefully out. Okay, these nails are way too small for a hammer. But there's got to be a way to get, here we go, in behind this board. There it is. Alright, put down this one so I don't step on anything. Oh, that wasn't ringing in my ears. There we go. Okay. Oh, I forgot that was glued. Okay. Now for that. That shouldn't be difficult. Wow. Mess. Gosh, I forgot how much glue is on this thing. Actually holding it together. There we go. And this assembly line is assembled. Disassemble this assembly line. So I'm gonna have to vacuum. That's okay. Ow. Oh. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm gonna have to take that outside. So, first of all, let's get a look at the mayhem. There's my mayhem. Pull that up. Alright guys, I'm going to take that out. Then I will come back and decide what else to do. Turns out I only needed to take out 4 screws to make that much mayhem. So, my shoes on, take that out. And I'll see you for another video. I have to think about it while I'm taking that out. Thank you guys for joining me. It only took me 10 minutes to pull that apart, which is great. And printer is temporarily home for a couple of days. Until I can, until the new one comes in and I can assemble it. Which will happen on camera the same day, I promise you. Like I said, I'm going to turn this off now because I'm going to take that out and do a quick vacuum job, and I will see you for another video. Thank you guys so much. Let's get to 100 by August 4th. Please hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. I will see you soon. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope it's warmer and drier than mine. Bye, guys.